Hello, my lovely listeners. Hope you all are doing great and doing something to improve your English speaking skills and other things as well. As I've already told you, that I'll bring 20 series of BPO that will help you in customer service, telecalling, and voice process jobs. So, uh, I would say that I've this is the third series, and I'll say before starting this video, I'll say that if you have any concern regarding English speaking, you can just join my Telegram group that is completely free of cost. You'll find a number of people over there, and you can chat, or you can make friends and start doing discussions about any particular topic in English. And apart from this, I'll say that if you have, if you want to raise a concern or anything you want to discuss, so you can just mail me my email address given in the description box. So let's start with this. So I'll say that this is the 100 BPO vocabulary words with examples. So this is very simple but very powerful for you to get this job. And I'll say that if you are following this 20 series, what I'm gonna bring, so I'll definitely say you don't need to watch any other videos but this. So let's get started with this first word, that is assist. It means help. For example, I will assist you with your request. Second, resolve. Solve a problem. I will try my best to resolve this issue. Query means question. I understand your query. Concern, problem, or worry. I understand your concern. Apologize. Say sorry. I apologize for the inconvenience. Appreciate. Be thankful. I appreciate your patience. Clarify. Make something clear. Let me clarify that for you. Confirm. Verify. Could you please confirm your details? Verify. Check accuracy. Let me verify your account information. Provide means give. I will provide you with the required information. Require. Need. We require some additional information. Inform means tell. I would like to inform you about the update. Explain, make understandable. Let me explain the process to you. Guide. Show means show the way. I will guide you through the process. Recommend means suggest. I recommend updating your password. Suggest meaning give an idea. I suggest trying again after a few minutes. Request means ask formally. I have submitted your request. Issue, problem. I understand the issue you are facing. Solution, answer to a problem. Let me find the best solution for you. Support means help. Our team is available to support you. Feedback means opinion about service. We value your feedback. Satisfaction, being pleased. Customer satisfaction is our priority. Convenient means easy or useful. We offer a convenient payment option. Available means ready for use. The service is available 24 by 7. Unavailable, not available. The service is temporarily unavailable. Urgent means needing immediate action. I will mark this as an urgent request. Priority means importance. Your request has been given high priority. Escalate, send to a higher level. I will escalate this issue to the concerned team. Transfer means move or call to another person. May I transfer your call to the billing team? Hold means wait on the phone. May I place your call on hold for a moment? Proceed means continue. Shall we proceed with the verification? Process means series of steps. I will explain the process to you. Procedure, official way of doing something. Please follow the required procedure. Transaction means financial activity. Your transaction was successful. Account means customer record. Let me check your account details. Credentials means login details. Please do not share your login details. Password means secret login code. Please reset your password. Eligible means qualified. You are eligible for this offer. Ineligible, not qualified. Unfortunately, the request is ineligible. Policy, company rule. We have to follow company policy. Terms means conditions. Please read the terms and conditions. Comply, follow rules. We must comply with company guidelines. Guideline means recommended rule. Please follow the guidelines carefully. Deadline means last date or time. The deadline for submission is tomorrow. Update means new information or change. I will keep you updated. Status means current condition. Let me check the status of your request. Pending means waiting to be completed. Your request is still pending. Completed means finished. Your request has been completed. Successful, completed successfully. Your payment was successful. Failed means not successful, obviously. The transaction has failed. Delay, late action. I apologize for the delay. Inconvenience, trouble caused. We apologize for the inconvenience. Patience means ability to wait calmly. Thank you for your patience. Cooperate means work together. We appreciate your cooperation. Understand means know the meaning. I completely understand your situation. Assurance means promise or confidence. I assure you that we will look into this. Attention means care or focus. Thank you for bringing this to our attention. Experience means knowledge gained. I have experience in customer service. Professional means business like. We should always maintain a professional attitude. Efficient means working effectively. Our team provides efficient service. Effective, producing the desired results. This is an effective solution. Accurate means correct. Let me make sure the information is accurate. Relevant means related or appropriate. I will provide the relevant information. Specific means exact or particular. Could you provide a specific reason? Appropriate means suitable. I will take the appropriate action. Temporary means for a limited time. This is a temporary issue. Permanent means lasting. The change is permanent. Immediate means right away. We need your immediate attention. Frequently means often or often. Please check your email frequently. Usually means normally. The process usually takes 2 working days. Certainly means definitely. Certainly, I can help you with that. Absolutely means definitely. Absolutely, I will check that for you. Unfortunately means sadly. Unfortunately, we cannot process the request today. Apparently means as it seems. Apparently, the payment was declined. Meanwhile means during the same time. However, we need additional verification. However means but. However, we need additional verification. I think I repeated this. Now, meanwhile, sorry to say that, meanwhile, during the same time, meanwhile, you can check your email. However means but. However, we need additional verification. Therefore, for that reason, therefore, we need to update your details. Regarding means about. I am calling regarding a recent request. Additionally, also. Additionally, you can use our mobile app. Otherwise, if not, please complete the process, otherwise, the request may expire. Concerned means involved. I will connect you with the relevant department. Oh, again, I did mistake. Let me read this again. Concerned means involved. I will contact the concerned department, section of an organization. I will connect you with the relevant department. Representative, customer service employee. You are speaking with a customer service representative. Supervisor, person who manages employees. I can connect you with my supervisor. Customer, person who uses a service, who always put the customer first. Client, customer, business customer. We have received a request from the client. Interaction, communication between people. We maintain professional customer interactions. Communication, exchange of information. Good communication is essential in a BPO job. Empathy, understanding another person's feelings. Empathy helps us handle difficult customers. Polite, respectful, always remain polite with customers. Calm means relaxed, not angry. Please remain calm while I check the details. Frustrated means annoyed or upset. I understand that you are frustrated. Interrupt, stop someone while speaking. I apologize for interrupting you. Repeat, say, or do again. Could you please repeat that? Elaborate. Explain in more detail. Could you please elaborate on the issue? Acknowledge, recognize, or accept. I acknowledge your concern and will assist you. Follow up, check again later. I will make a follow up call tomorrow. Commitment, promise, dedication. We are committed to provide excellent service. Resolution, final solution. We are working hard a quick resolution toward a quick resolution. Retain, keep. Good service helps us retain our customers. Bonus BPO sentence, I've just written it down here that I completely understand your concern. Let me verify the details and assist you with the best possible resolution. So that's it for now. And I'll say that kindly read this PDF because I'm going to upload this PDF in every group I've made, every group and channel I made. And the description box I'll try to upload. And one more thing I would say that if you are preparing for BPO or like telecalling services in English or opting for English, so you can go through this. And I want you to subscribe and share if you're a new user with your friends and family members. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.